road trip. Hey, this week I came down to visit Rick Schmidt at the NPD facility in Ocala. How you doing, Rick?
I'm doing great, Dennis.
Looks to me like the theme today is Camaro.
Yeah, we have a big Camaro theme today. The one thing that I'm very excited about, a few seasons ago, I believe, I debuted our brand new reproduction, second gen Camaro, 1970 to 1978 dash pad. And it's been a huge success. So we went ahead and invested in tooling to do the 79 to 81 dash pad, which has been long awaited by those later Gen 2 guys.
Yep, I mean, those later model Gen 2 folks were like, hey, and what about me?
Yeah, and just like last time, there is a current reproduction now that I'm going to be competing against. But it's flimsy, it's lightweight, the grain doesn't look like original.
This is the real deal.
This is what you want. It's built just like the factory built them, and it's done in urethane. The other one is just vacuum formed vinyl, which is not the way GM did it. You've got the right grain, nice details in all the contours, and it fits just like original. We've tested everything out, all the components, so now you can really restore your 79 to 81 dash.
And you've got not only the dash, but you've got everything that goes into that dash to complete it.
Yes, we do.
The big deal this time, and it is big, is you guys are now doing pretty much entire Gen 1s, right?
Yes.
So that's what we have here.
We are selling full body shells for Gen 1 Camaros, and we can also build a body shell for you for a 67 to 69 Firebird as well. You can order these Camaro, Firebird, 67 through 69, choose your year. We've partnered up with Real Deal Steel. They are the manufacturers of these body shells. They built their own fixtures using original cars to begin with. I've been down there. We visited the place before we ever decided to put these bodies in our catalogs because I've always been very concerned. What if a customer spends big money on a reproduction body and starts having problems?
Right.
I didn't want to be in between that. And I'll tell you what, ever since we've begun selling these bodies, we've got nothing but happy customers. These are quality pieces. All of the exterior sheet metal is 18 gauge, similar to what the original shells metal would have come on it. They actually carry anywhere from 25 to 30% more spot welds than an original GM body shell, so they're torsionally more rigid. It's just a quality done piece. All the panels are pre-fit. There is some finished body work to do that you're going to get with any body shell that you're going to get, even if you're restoring your original Camaro.
So if I get the body shell, this is what I'm getting. I still have a bunch of car to go.
Yes.
You can do that too, right?
Yes, we can do that. We sell front-end metal kits to complement and go with and to complete your Real Deal Steel body shell. And that gives you everything: the hood, the header, the fenders, the valance, the latch support, and all the other little details, nose to tail. Furthermore, if you buy a Real Deal Steel body shell through us, they retail, this shell is $14,000.
They aren't cheap.
Flat, $14,000. If you buy it from us, after you take delivery of the shell, you have 60 days to place an order with us, and we'll give you a 5% discount off of that order. It can be as large as you like it. You can have the whole rest of the car included in that order, and we'll lock 5% off of that order, which is 5% is a deep discount with us because our prices are already the most competitive in the industry.
Well, and you end up with basically a new 67 Camaro.
Brand new, no rust issues. Start to build the car of your dreams.
So whether you're looking to spruce up your Gen 2 Camaro or just build yourself a whole Gen 1 Camaro, National Parts Depot's got you covered, right?
Yes, we do.
Well, hey, if you want to learn anything more about this great Camaro stuff or all the other stuff National Parts Depot does, log on to nationalpartsdepot.com. A whole new 67. Where are you going to find that, man?